In today's video, we have an interesting addition. This is a Kryptonite bicycle U-lock. And here is kind of an overview of its features. Now, if you're used to products from Master Lock and other crappy brands, then this will come as actually quite a welcome surprise. I do have the packaging. This is actually a fairly nice product. So first of all, we have the lock body itself and the shackle. The shackle is 12 millimeters of hardened steel with this nice rubber coating so it doesn't scratch up your bike. The whole lock does have that coating on it, by the way. And the lock itself is a hardened steel pipe that has all the guts inserted into it. We have a disc detainer core. On focus. There we go. And it is unlocked by inserting the key into that hole, which I will do now. You turn it 180 degrees, and then the shackle comes out all the way, leaving you with the lock body itself, which is like a police truncheon. Here's what the shackle looks like. It simply hooks into this end, and then you just lock it up. Disc detainer cores are fairly pick resistant. This one isn't very bad. If you want some more information about disc detainer cores in general, check out the YouTube channel, The Lockpicking Lawyer, or Bosnian Bill. They give very detailed explanations about these and show how to pick them, if you do so desire to yourself. I'm not nearly as gifted in that department myself, but I digress. The core itself and everything is slid in from this end and is held in by this pin, which is nice, so you're not going to be using something like a slam hammer to pull the core out with. Common attack on these is to put a hardened screw in here and then use your slam hammer to the core out, which on Master Locks works very well because the cores are just inserted and held in with a pin. If you're curious what this is so you can mount it on your bike. You mount this portion, you slide it around the frame underneath the seat, and the bike lock comes on upside down. And it just clicks into place, and this will hold very nicely. So you're ready to use it, and you can just slide it off. And Kryptonite also does offer up to about a $500 guarantee theft resistance on this lock, I believe. I don't know the details of that, but this lock is going to work very nicely for when I go to Boy Scout camp. So this is held like this. And when you want to get out, we just... The bike isn't as valuable as some. Maybe worth about $100. But this is a fine lock in general for that purpose, keeping not too expensive bikes, but something you don't want stolen. Another nice feature is if I lock it, locking pawl is directly connected to the core, so you're not going to be able to shim this basically a one-on-one movement. Anyway, that's about all I have. And I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, give it a dislike. Have a wonderful day.